The most valuable information I can give to the younger generation of young ladies, millennials and Gen Z like my daughter, who are going through that stage where relationships and having a man is most important. The dream and the um, fantasy of how life should look like is very prevalent in their life. Is this: make sure when you're finding that mate, when you compromising certain values for the sake of monetary things or material things, that you consider that person as a parent, your child's parent. Many times, women get in situations because of superficial things, and when they start having children with these men, the men lack to be that leader or the father that the woman knows that the child needs and deserves. Maybe even like her father. I had a great father. It's very important to be mindful of not only yourself, but your children, because that's who you represent. And when you have kids by men that don't show up authentically and don't have the mental or the emotional or financial capacity to give the life that a child deserves, it's much more heartache for you than you and your child will ever deserve.